Steward and entity workshop was divided into two parts. In the first session, the instructor demonstrated how to use and test anchor. Next, he introduced some tests for steel members collection, such as dia penetrate test. Finally, he also showed us how to use different machines to do steel works, such as cutting and welding. In next session, we mainly focus on non-destructive tests. We are required to use rebound hammer test, cover meter test, particle and of half-cell potential test, and infrared ray test to check the condition of the concrete reinforcements. Site formation workshop aims to develop students' knowledge of the site formation, drainage system, and site investigation. In the first session, we are required to do speedy tests in order to find the most contact of the shoe. After the shoe and chemical powder were mixed in the speedy, the pressure inside the speedy will be changed and the most contact will be solved. In the second session, we are required to do standard penetration tests and rand tests in order to find the ground condition of the site. In the first session of the scaffolding and formwork workshop, the instructor demonstrated tools and material for making traditional formwork. Then we are required to make a box by using simple tools. Next, we use timber cutting machine and other manual tools to make a mini formwork for further practice. In second session, we mainly focus on scaffolding. First, instructor told us how to use safety rules and different details of associated metal scaffolding. Finally, we are required to make a 2-story high scaffolding. Structural concrete was divided into 2 days. In the first day, we practiced how to use cutting and bending machine to make reinforcement for a mini formwork, which made in the previous day. Next, the instructor showed us how a fresh concrete was designed and mixed. He indicated how the portion of the ingredients affect the properties of the concrete. After a short briefing, we need to mix concrete by ourselves. After the concrete was mixed, we need to do slump tests. We need to fill the timber formwork with concrete, then we finish it with compaction. In day 2, we did a group test for the concrete first and learned how to remove the mold from the concrete. Finally, we are separated into small groups to make a reinforcement for a real dimension beam. In brake and plastering workshop, the instructor showed us various types of bobs and tools first. Then, he demonstrated how to use different equipment to cut boards and tiles. Next, we are required to plaster a brickwork and stick tiles on it. Make a flat mortar and script is the key of the work. Then, we learn how to construct 4 tiles. Make a flat mortar and squeeze is the key of the parties. Finally, we learn how to make brickwork on the floor. A flat and level squeeze is the key of making a brickwork. The corner of the brickwork should be constructed carefully. Thank you. This is the end of the video.